Guys, I'm back in another video. Yeah, I never knew this. I just found this article, an older article, and it says YouTube was meant to be a video dating website. It's from the co-founder Steve Chin. This came out in 2016, but I don't remember ever hearing this story. It was kind of interesting, you know. I'll link the article in my video here, but it's kind of weird. He said it was meant to be a video dating website. I guess it turned into something else, you know, like vlogs and music videos, you know. But I guess this is like the first video somebody how it was gonna be. I guess you know this is gonna be the video how it was, you know. I guess it was gonna be men and women making videos, telling each other about themselves and stuff. Um, and then people could contact each other. So I'm guessing there would be like different YouTube channels in like YouTube dating channel LA, YouTube dating channel New York or whatever, I guess. And then people would post on that channel, I guess, and have your videos on that channel. Then you could meet in that city, I guess. That's how they would do it. Unless you want to fly to a certain city, I don't know. But yeah, really interesting. There was going to be a dating channel. It's kind of weird. That would have been interesting though. A video dating channel. I guess they could still do it. You know, since they got like now they got like a movie section, they got like a music section now. YouTube has, and then they had a YouTube Red. So I guess they could still probably have a section, a video dating section if they wanted to. But it's kind of interesting that that's how it started out. I never realized that people started out where people wanted to hook up on YouTube. That's interesting. Uh, I would like to see how it worked and how it would work out. It would have been interesting to see. It would have been interesting. I don't know. It's a kind of interesting article. Like I said, I'll post a link in the video, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.